Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and today's video will simply be touring the agro technology gallery. This is where you find a lot of these old machines, beautiful machines, tractors, vehicles, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get there and show you guys how it is like. But if you're new on my channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a lovely video, you guys don't miss any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the Roadman. Once again, let's go. Alright guys, so let's see what this gallery has to offer. As you can see, there are a lot of old machines here. Take a look at this one. There's another one here. Can you guys see? Look at this one. So this is actually called read there. It's Agro Technology Museum Gallery. Museum care for you and your heritage. Okay, so let's see what is inside this beautiful museum, guys. Yes sir, how are you? You okay?
I'm okay.
What do you have here?
This is a printer.
This is a printer?
Yes.
This is an old model.
1915.
Oh, that's, oh, okay, 1915. Okay. This used to be a printer.
Yes.
Okay, what else do we have here? I can see there's another one there. This big machine here, what is it? Oh, it was more of a hammer mill, this one. Okay, very old machines, huh? Wow. And this one, I think it's a shearer or something for maize, or is it for groundnuts? Should be maize, huh?
This one we just use paraffin.
Oh, this is it. Oh, what is this? A tractor or? Oh. Oh, when starting, okay, I remember these ones. Okay, so it used to use paraffin. Ah, okay.
They are changing.
Yeah. Which one is the modern one? This one? Ah. Oh, this was the first one, and then came this one. Okay. Wow.
This is paraffin.
Oh, paraffin. Okay.
Diesel.
Oh, now we move to diesel. Okay. Very nice machine. But what is this? I can see they look very different. This is not an ordinary tractor or something. Oh, for farming. So this is more like a what, a hara or something. Oh, you connect and then, okay, you start working in your fields, huh? Okay.
Yes, you can see this is for making roads.
Oh, for roads.
Yes.
Oh, that's why it has this heavy thing here. Wow. Okay. This is which year was this?
I don't know.
Okay, but yeah, it's really old, very old actually, you can tell. Okay, that's nice. Then we've got this is another form of a tractor with two wheels in front. Wow. Okay. Ah, this one at least it looks a bit modern. Eh? Okay. Yeah, okay, this side is kind of new. Oh, okay, I can see. So is this one? Sorry, this, what's the name here? McCormick. Yeah, McCormick Dealing, something like that. Wow, that's a very old model, guys. So you're able to see. Okay. Then we come to this one with. Wow, this was also a tractor. The Colopea there. Okay. Things are changing, huh? We've come a long way. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this one is simply connect it. Okay. Even John Deere used to have such kind of wow, this is a very old model, guys, of a John Deere tractor. Wow. Okay. This is nice. And there I can see another one, the small one there. That's a Caterpillar. Made by Caterpillar or something. Very, very old stuff. Okay. What else do you have here? These are... oh yeah, let's check out these ones. Very old truck here, yeah? This is an old machine. Very old. Okay. So this is good. At least we are here. This is a Jaguar. Wow. Very old model Jaguar here, guys. You can see. Okay. Which year was this one made? Is it written somewhere? It's not indicated, yeah, but surely it's a very old Jaguar. Okay, and this one? Oh, you see, guys, Davy Paxman and Company Limited, engineers. Colchester in England, that's where it was made. Okay. Alright, this is nice. Very, very nice. And where is... okay. Very nice machines here. Okay, thank you so much. At least we've seen something from this beautiful, beautiful gallery. Okay. Alright guys, so you can see there are a lot of these old machines, very nice machines here. This is the agro technology gallery right here in Lusaka, Zambia. You can actually, if you are interested in these machines, this is a place that you'd love to come and visit, because it will remind you of where we're coming from. You know, when it comes to farming and you know, these type of equipments have been evolving, and you can see from that side we have all these old machines. Some of them I can't even name them. I don't know, like the tractors, of course. I think most of them will just call them tractors. Yeah, but these are very, very old machines. You can see, guys. All right. So just take a look from here, and you can see a lot of people that are actually coming here just to view these, guys. Okay. And what has impressed me is that, let me take a look at this one. This is a Caterpillar. You can see from here. It's written Caterpillar. Okay, you see from here, that's very good. Okay guys, so there you also have a very big old truck, like those old ones. And then in this other room there are a lot of other equipments as well. You can see it tells you of a story of where we are coming from. You know, what we used to use a long time ago, what all, you know. Okay, so you can see from here, this machine, you guys, some of you know these things better than me. So, but of course I know this is a plow. I think this is a plow. Yes. It has like 3, you know, plates here, which is cool. And then here again you have these old model cars. You can see this is very old. This other one, very old. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so tell me what you think about this place, this agro technology space that we have here, showing us how these things have evolved. We've got like beautiful tractors like the latest John Deere. We've got things like what are they called, these Italian tractors. So we actually have like a lot of beautiful latest machinery, but yet again we have these old ones. Yes sir, you're saying?
Here my group also YouTube video, right?
You're saying?
Making YouTube video.
Yes please.
Here my group also. Just visit.
Yeah, just visiting. Okay, that's nice. Are you from within Zambia?
India.
Oh, from India. Okay, nice. Okay. Hi sir, how are you?
Good, thank you, sir.
Fine. Okay, so it's good.
Farmer.
Oh, he's a farmer, so he's very interested in the developments here. Okay, nice. Okay guys, see you. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you. But look at this guys, like a John Deere like this, can you imagine? But this is where they've come from. So they've basically come a long way. Take a look at this. That's a very old John Deere here tractor. You see? Wow. And this is, I think for me, this is the strongest tractor that you ever get to find in this world, at least from my own experience, Yeah, you can see where they've come from. A long way indeed. Alright guys, so take a look at these beautiful machines here. Trademark, look at this. Yes, racing wheels, something like that. Very nice tractors. That's a model number there, I think. That's a very old one, guys. Wow, very interesting. Even though I don't know what this is, but you can see it used to be connected to a tractor, and you can simply pull it like that. But you can see it's very long, like from there going all the way to, I don't know, what do you guys think? What is this one? This machine here, or in the modern world, what do you call this one? Okay. Okay guys, and the Jaguar, like he was explaining, that's a Jaguar there. Very old Jaguar, Okay, let's go outside, we check out what they have outside. Okay. Alright, so take a look at these other machines over here. See from there. This is also an old tractor as well. You see, it's a very old machine. Wow, things have changed. Things have really changed. Take a look at this other one. The yellow one, this was made in England. You see from here guys, made in England. You see from there, made in England. The model number should be this one. I think that's the model number. Fordson. Very nice. Take a look from this other side. Wow. So these are the machines, very old machines, guys. And this, I think, was a plow, a double plow. You can see from this other side, the steel just like this over here. You see? Right, guys, so this is beautiful machines, but I think our engineers have really changed things. You know, they have really changed, and this is why you can see these. If you compare what is here and what we have, I think it's a massive development that we, you know, this is I can say probably these were used in the 20th century or something. But now, if you compare these with what we have in this 21st century, I think there's a very big gap. A lot of work has been put in by different engineers from all over the world, and I think this is beautiful. Okay, so yeah, let's check out other things somewhere out. Oh, take a look. Take a look at this one, this big machine here, and tell me if you know what this used to be. You know, let me know in the comment section, guys. And then we have another one here, which is kind of similar to that one. Take a look. This is beautiful. Now let me know what you think about these machines. Machines, guys. Very nice, very nice old machines. But from here, this was made in Berlin. Okay, Bossy, Berlin, TJ or something like that. The number there has been rubbed off. Can you see? Wow. Right, guys, so yeah, what do you think about this one, guys? So we're gonna end today's video from here. I hope you guys have found value from what I've shared with you today, and if you have, please remember to like the video, subscribe and share, you know. So we are here at the Agro Technology Museum Gallery, where we are actually looking at these beautiful old machines, just showing you how these machines have actually evolved. So thank you so much. Remember to like the video. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Samson, the Roadman. Bye bye for now.